Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to open emojis on Mac, how to use emojis. So actually it is very easy. First of all, we need to open some application or messenger. We want to type some message using emojis, add some emojis. So for example, in my case it would be notes. And here to add some emojis, all I have to do is to press three buttons on my keyboard. The first one is Control, second is Command, and then space. So simply type Control Command Space and it will open this little menu, and here are all the available emojis on your Mac, and you can also search for them. So for example, joy, something like that, and I can add as much emojis as I want. If I want to add some more emojis, again Control Command Space, and that is it. That is how we can open emojis on Mac. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.